Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Blackbird Performance. I know a lot of you guys are excited about the D17, but unfortunately doesn't look like we're going to get the block back and assembled in time for round one. So what I'm going to do instead is try and make the most out of what I got. This means getting a bit more data and trying to work out a few problems that I've had with this little mini-me conversion since I built it. To do this, I'm going to take it down to the guys at Haltech, get them to put it on the dyno and run it up and see what it's doing. Try and troubleshoot a couple of little things and see if I can get my timing sorted. The timing on this car has been running very advanced since I built it. Not very safe, but it seemed to do all right. We'll try and get the timing back to where it should be, see if it makes any difference to the power the car's outputting, and see if there's any other ways that we might be able to improve it from there. So let's get into the action. See you at the dyno. We have Fernando from TuneLab Racing helping us out and operating the dyno today, as well as my brother, to help work on the Civic and occasionally give his own commentary. Once we had the Civic on the dyno and strapped down, we warmed it up to get it ready for our baseline power run. So now we have our baseline of 61 kilowatts, we can get to work on getting the timing sorted.
And here we see a wild Daniel in his natural habitat, with the light reflecting off his bald head.
Unfortunately, we couldn't get the timing right in the range of motion allowed by the distributor. So, we resorted to the next best thing we could to try and get the timing right. And that is some good old-fashioned zip ties. Putting a distributor in place.
I mean, the motor spins in the retard direction, right?
Yeah, I'm hoping, because it's got no bolts.
Because, yeah, like right now you're advancing it, so...
Yeah.
I mean, it's got no bolts in it now, and it's not like it's really moving about, so hopefully it's just tension between the two, because it's not like it. You reckon we go, it's got to be 16 before?
Well, I'm going off the damper.
Yeah.
We could go a little bit more, but
I was going to say, you reckon we go...
Let's just... Because when we come back with the Hondata, we can play with timing. I just want to confirm.
Come back with the Hondata. Fernando doesn't want to touch a Hondata.
I'm not going to make Fernando touch it. I'll press the keys. Just so Fernando doesn't have to sully himself. So I was going to say, actually, zip tie.
I haven't yet because I've moved the distributor, so you'll need to...
Okay, well there's some more things. Yeah, you're on the middle mark again. I have faith in Fernando.
What if we go this way too, right?
Yes, I approve. And now with the zip ties in place to get the timing set correctly according to the damper, we get ready for the next power run. With the engine clearly not liking that change, we resorted to the trial and error approach of finding out where it was happy with the timing. Because, you know, we have the best tool in the world to find out where the car's happy with timing.
It's a bit rude calling Fernando a tool.
I was going to make that point too. I was going to say this, where it was before is right at the end, that side of the slot.
Yeah.
So you reckon we go
That's how I was going to go all the way the other way and just
I
see what
wouldn't
it
go
does.
all the way. That's
How far is all the way? How many degrees is it?
As many as it is.
I mean, that to that.
Yeah, like how many? Like is that 10 degrees or?
Given
Oh, we got a timing light. That's
This is true, we have a timing light.
given that I marked it, right? That there. So there is the difference. And if we go that way, that is a lot more.
That
is a lot of-
That's probably about 14, 15 degrees.
Yeah.
So let's go with half then.
Let's try halfway.
And if it's happy, we'll do. This is we're tuning, but we're tuning old school.
Yeah.
So your dyno time has just gone from whatever you were paying him up
Well,
to
this is
800.
just many power runs with breaks in between.
Oh, this is not me tuning. I'm just contributing ideas for fun. I'm very not invested, so.
If it blows up, it blows up. He doesn't care.
No, I care because in a minute.
Wow.
We come back, you reckon 2/3 instead of the whole way?
Yeah. Well, I thought it one way or the other, and let's just see.
Yeah.
So yeah, back it off a quarter of what it is now.
Yeah.
So yeah, what are we going to know? Yeah, power's the same, but slightly down on torque. in
Yeah,
the
overall
range.
power about the same.
But it lost through the mid-range too.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
Yeah. Different. So with it going too far, it was about a
Oh, yeah,
same.
yeah.
That's part of the difference. Yeah. In the middle, 6% less torque at 5100 RPM. Yeah, wow. What a difference.
That's as it's coming into VTEC, it's
3 kilowatts, so, oh yeah, 6%. Yep, that makes sense.
yeah.
Wow.
That's what 3 kilowatts on this thing's almost 5%
Yeah.
power.
It is.
Yeah.
It is 5% power. After a few power runs, we worked out where the car was happiest with the timing and that my damper has slipped on the hub, which is what made me think the timing was so far out. Turns out, bang in the middle of the adjustment was where it wanted to be. Looks like Honda knew what they were doing after all. Now, we let the car cool off before going for one last run to see what she can really do.
Yes.
And there you have it. 71 kilowatts. A huge increase of 10 kilowatts from when it first arrived. Given all we really did was change the timing, that's a great improvement. Now for a bit of fun, we decided to put a leaf blower in the intake to see if it would make any difference, and because the tuning fork thought it might be
Do you
funny.
reckon fan on as well?
Yeah, why not?
Can't hurt.
Get some cool air
Yeah,
going.
give it everything. Give it everything.
Ready?
Yep.
And there you have it, 69 kilowatts. Turns out, my Civic likes being blown. However, it didn't make any extra power. That's all for this one, guys. Keep an eye out for the next one. We'll try and do some more improvements and see if we can make any more power on this little Mini-Me VTEC engine. See you next time.